Hey everyone, if you're getting that annoying launch error code 23 or the game client encountering an application error every time you try to launch Fortnite on your PC, don't sweat it. I've got you covered in this video where I'll walk you through fixing this error in Fortnite. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Solution 1. Delete temporary files from your computer. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD here. Then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Next, click on Yes to give permission. After that, type in Tree and press Enter. Then close the Command Prompt window and type Run in the search bar. And then click on it. Next, type %temp% here and hit Enter on your keyboard. Now select everything from here and delete them. It may ask you for permission, just click on Continue. And if it shows any folder or file in use, tick this box and then click on Skip. Now open the Run program again, type prefetch in the box here and hit Enter. Then click on Continue. Now from here, delete everything as well. Lastly, reboot your computer. After your computer boots up, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Repair the Easy Anti-Cheat program. To do this, first open up the Epic Games Launcher. Then click on Library. After that, click on the three dots icon below the Fortnite poster and select Manage from the pop-up menu. Now click on this folder icon and the File Explorer should open up. Next, go to the Fortnite game folder. Then open up the Binaries folder and then go to the Win64 folder. Next, open the Easy Anti-Cheat _KAMU folder. Then double-click on Easy Anti-Cheat _setup and click on Yes to give permission. After that, click on Repair Service. Once the repair process is complete, click on Finish. Lastly, restart your computer. After your computer turns on, check if the error is gone. Solution 3. Close unused apps from Task Manager. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Now right-click on the apps you're not using and select End Task. Make sure to do this for apps like Discord, Steam, and other memory hoggers. After that, check if the error is fixed or not. Solution 4. Verify and repair the game. To do this, open Epic Games Launcher. Then switch to the Library tab. Now click on the three dot icon below the Fortnite poster. Next, click on Manage from the pop-up menu. Then click on Verify. After that, the launcher will verify and repair any corrupted files. Once the verification and repair process is done, restart your computer. And after your computer boots up, the error shouldn't pop up in Fortnite anymore. So that's how you fix the launch error code 23 or the game client encountered an application error every time you try to launch Fortnite on your PC. If the video was useful to you, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.